can start.
Hello, what phone do you carry? What a question. Obviously it's an iPhone or an Android. What if I switch your phone to a push button phone? Your life will get very challenging. That's exactly where the distribution center operators are today. While the rest of the world is FaceTiming, YouTubing and WhatsApping with their mobile devices, the DC operator is stuck with a 20-year-old technology. We at Smart Gladiator empower DC operators with our in-command wearables, tablets and apps, unleashing productivity gains. Let's take a look at the DC. So that's the inbound trucks bringing in the product. The receive and sort associate receives the product, the put away associate moves the product to reserve, pulling associate moves the product to active, and within active, pickers pick product into boxes. The boxes come to the packing area where they're wrapped and sealed, then get sent to the loading area. The loading associates load the product into the truck, and then the truck is on its way to the customer. So there are 4 types of users that are doing this: receive and sort, pullers, put away users, pickers, loaders. So they use 2 types of mobile devices. The first one is a RF handheld. The problem with this is operators constantly keep it down and pick it back up. And also while they're moving boxes like this, they carry like this, and that slows them down. Sometimes they drop it and break them. Sometimes you wouldn't believe they get shipped to customers in the boxes. Essentially, this is a dumb terminal that can do just one thing, that's data collection. So to solve that problem, experts developed wrist mounts. This was supposed to free up this hand, but it really provided only a couple of extra fingers. Look at this keyboard, how small it is. Just to enter one character, I have to press these keys multiple times. Again, these bands get so sweaty and smelly. I don't want to wear this on my arm with someone else sweat on it. Again, this is another dumb terminal that can do just one thing, that's data collection. So that's the first problem we are solving here. And we came up with our in-command wearable, basically an Apple iOS technology. So I'm going to wear my sleeve so I don't get anybody else sweat on me. So this is my own sleeve for myself. And it has a special coating on it to provide a pretty good grip. So I'm going to wear this device nice and snug. So that way it doesn't dangle or anything when I'm carrying boxes or scanning barcodes, whatever it is I'm doing. So I want to nicely strap it. Don't want anything coming in the way. It's basically like a little big wristwatch I'm wearing in my arm. I wear it on my wrist. Doesn't come in the way, and put the strap nice and tight so it doesn't dangle it anywhere. Okay, alright, so I'm all set. So now it's nice and snug, and then I wear this barcode like this on my right hand. So basically what we have done is we've integrated a barcode scanner with our own app that can connect to a WMS, and users can access WMS and does. I'll talk about 3 cool features. The first one is a soft overlay keyboard. We can define a custom keyboard at the function level. Receivers can have their own keys. Put-away users can have their own keys. Just the keys are so much bigger and easier to press. And then FaceTime and text-based communication. It just makes it so much easier for people to reach someone if you need someone to come and talk to you right away. And then video-based training. It makes it a lot easier to train people, especially new hires and users that run into exception scenarios through videos. From a hardware perspective, this is 20% lightweight, and battery will last for more than 10 hours. And very rugged, it can withstand bumps and drops and bangs and whatever it is. Also, this is going to get even more slimmer and sleeker because fast charging technology is going to come. That's going to make it much smaller. Right? This technology is also patented. Young people are picking it up so fast. Just a couple of weeks ago, a leading retailer tested this product, and day 1, those guys beat their current productivity numbers. Currently, they're using RF handhelds. Pullers on trucks can save anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes per shift because they can communicate through FaceTime and texting instead of going and talking to the supervisor every time, right? So the second problem we are solving is, today the supervisors are chained to their desk. For example, if you see here, this is a receive and sort supervisor, and this is a active supervisor, and this guy is reserve supervisor, and this guy is loading supervisor. They are chained to their desk because that's the only way they can access their systems, through their desktops. If I were a supervisor, I need to coach my employees. I need to spend more time walking along with them, observing them, giving them feedback, giving them productivity ratings, and helping them improve their job, right? So that's why in-command tablet, an iPad loaded with our apps is a huge help to just provide whatever information they need or access whatever information the supervisor needs right from where they are. They don't have to keep going to the desk every single time. Also, the associates can communicate through FaceTime and texting to the supervisor right away. So we are only scratching the surface here. There are a lot of opportunities to save dollars with our product. Just to mention another benefit, with picture-based documentation app, they can eliminate chargebacks. So I can go on and on. The best part is all these devices can be deployed and turned on in a few minutes. So are you ready to use this technology? Contact us today, info@smartnavigator.com.